Welcome to a cloud study by Melanie Doskocil. A cloud is a visible collection of minute water droplets or tiny ice crystals. Clouds form when rising air expands and cools, causing water molecules to slow down. Water vapor condenses on tiny particles and ions present in the air, and a cloud forms. The basic cloud shapes are cirrus, cumulus, and stratus, and clouds can be a blend of these shapes. To classify clouds, the shape as well as the altitude is taken into account, resulting in 4 major cloud groups and 10 basic cloud types. The 4 groups are high clouds above 6,000 meters, which contain cirrus, cirrostratus, and cirrocumulus clouds. Middle clouds from 2,000 to 6,000 meters, which contain altostratus, altocumulus, and nimbostratus clouds. Low clouds between 2,000 meters, below 2,000 meters, which contain stratus and stratocumulus, and vertically developed clouds such as cumulus and cumulonimbus. On Monday, March 10th, 2014, there were high cirrocumulus clouds, followed by a bank of cirrostratus clouds. The weather for this day was warm and sunny with very lightly scattered clouds and no wind. On Tuesday, March 11th, there was snow on the ground when I awoke and light flurries that eventually turned into a hearty squall with sideways blowing snow and gusty winds. In this photo, you can see a glimpse of blue sky in the background that was a reminder that spring is on its way and mercurial as ever. This picture shows the nimbostratus clouds in the foreground and stratocumulus or altocumulus in the background. On Wednesday, March 12th, it was a clear blue sky day. After a significant snowstorm that dumped 9 inches of snow, I awoke to a cloudless sky. I spent time looking for clouds or even contrails, but nothing was to be found. The weather for this day was sunny and warm with no breeze. On Thursday, March 13th, it was another beautiful day. There were some fluffy altostratus clouds clinging to the horizon line. Later in the day, the sky became partly cloudy, but the temperatures remained warm and the wind was nominal. On Friday, March 14th, it was again a blue sky day. Again, I attempted to find the smallest cloud or contrail, but by the time I took the photo in the late afternoon, there wasn't anything but endless blue sky and no wind. The weather this past week in Basalt, Colorado was typical of spring weather with its variability. There were beautiful blue sky days and a day where 9 inches of snow fell. However, for the average climate of this area, this week was a little unusually warm. High temperatures averaged in the mid to upper 50s and lows in the high 30s. Average high temperatures for March are usually in the low 50s and low temperatures in the high teens to low 20s. While weather dictates the state of the atmosphere at a particular time and place, climate is the general pattern of weather that occurs over a period of time. Since it is still early in the month, a week of cool weather could bring the averages back down to normal.